Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is long overdue. It is the third and final soap in the Shabby Chic inspired series. I made this soap months ago. Life just got turned upside down for a little bit, and things are finally getting back to normal. I can get back to doing things that I enjoy doing, which is making soap and soap videos. Please enjoy. As a reminder, I kept the same color scheme for all three soaps: dark blue, pinks, white, and a little bit of green. If memory serves me correctly, I used a mixture of fragrance oils for this soap: rose, grapefruit, and jasmine. Look at all these wonderful soap canes. These will be used as polka dots. These are leaves. And these are some roses. All of these were made with soap dough a few days prior. Let me show you very quickly how I made them. Now to put it all together. Well, it's been a while since we've seen this embed tray. Well, what do we have here? We have some soap dough leaves and some soap dough blue pearls. You know I'm going to show you how I made them. Time for some piping. I have 2 different colored pinks here. I'll just streak the piping bag with the lighter pink as you see here. Add a little bit into the darker pink, and then I'll be making some little rosettes. Using my favorite Wilton 4B piping tip, of course. A rose by any other name would smell as sweet, but a motion sickness inducing shaky shot must always be known as a motion sickness inducing shaky shot. I'm gonna assume that I waited 2 days later before I cut this soap, so 2 days later, let's cut this soap. I really love the way this soap turned out. Look at that. That is so cute. I really enjoyed making this soap. I especially love the rosettes on top. I think I'm going to do a soap where the top is nothing but a bunch of rosettes because they're so fun to do. Someone asked if I was making any holiday soaps this year. I was able to make just 1 holiday soap. Technically 2, but the second one is more of a winter theme than a holiday theme. And I will be releasing those videos very soon. And I do hope that you will come back to join me for those. I also made a few other soaps that are more of a food theme, and I cannot wait to share those with you as well. But that does it for today. As always and forever, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.